Right now, keeping it local, you're watching Fox 11 News Big Break.
8:13, it's Monday, and we're talking tech with your good friend and mine, Andy Taylor. Nice to see you, sir.
Good to see you.
So we've got a lot going on up here. You got a tall thing up there, some things down here. Where do we start?
Pretty much everywhere. Okay, so if you ever get a tablet, like an iPad or an Android tablet, you want to put it in a case, otherwise this could happen.
Yes.
I did that.
Oh.
Dropped on some rocks.
Oh.
So you want to protect it. There are many options for you, but one of them I really like is this one. This is the Solo case, and what it is, it's made from 100% recycled bottles, water bottles.
Really?
So it helps the environment. It can actually be, these clips can actually be adjusted, so it'll take up to an 11-inch tablet all the way down to an 8.5-inch tablet. So whether it be an iPad, whether it be an Android device, and feel how strong that is.
Wow.
It's very sturdy, so you definitely want to keep your tablet inside, and these only sell for about 25 bucks.
Now, can you get more than one?
Yes, you can.
It's called Solo.
Well, it's called Solo, but you can get more than one. It's from a company called Hoyt. That was very good. Next up, you want to carry, yes I did, you want to carry a keyboard with you.
Yes.
You know, maybe you don't like the keyboard that is on your laptop, or maybe you want to use your smartphone with a keyboard. This is a Bluetooth keyboard. We've shown this before. Love this keyboard, but it's hard to stick inside your laptop bag, right? I mean, it takes up a lot of room. Well, why not switch? I'm going to put this down to this one. This is from Eras, and this is a keyboard. It folds out. So this Bluetooth style keyboard, again, has all this portability here. You've got also a screen here, and you've got the keys. So if you want to use this with your iPhone, your Android device, your tablet, or even a PC, you can do this all connecting via Bluetooth. These sell for right around 35 bucks.
What does this part do here?
This is for moving, if you need to move your cursor around.
Oh, okay.
If you're on
like
a
mouse
program that uses that. Have you ever seen one of these before?
Been some time.
That makes it cool. And then finally, you know, when there's a lot of vloggers, people want to create content, right? So what they do is they set up a camera right here in this device here. This is from Sunpack. They make a wide range of products, but you get a remote control. You get a ring light, is what we call it. This is a 12-inch ring light. They make them in different sizes going all the way up to 19, but we'll go ahead and power this up if I can hit the button there, and it should power up. And it didn't because I don't have it plugged in right. It's okay, but it's really bright. What vloggers need. It takes the shadows out. It gives you a really good, bright, vibrant look to your video that you're trying to do. And again, and you've also got
a bunch of different colors too.
Yeah, it's RGB, so you get red, green, blue. Now this takes up a lot of room, but it extends up to about 11 feet.
11 feet?
Yeah, it gets pretty high.
Wow.
So if nobody would be that tall standing in front of it, I'd want to meet them. But you can also.
Well, Jack is pretty close. He's like
Jack's up there. But you can also get one with a table stand, so it can be right in front of you if you want to have it.
Okay.
These are great. These sell anywhere. They start at about $40, go all the way up to about $100, depending on the size.
Wow.
So yeah, give you a little more edge when you're vlogging.
Very good. Awesome.
There you go.
Some good stuff here, Andy Taylor.
You're welcome, sir.
Very good. Nice to see you, sir.
Good to see you.
Appreciate it.
Always.
11 feet. That's
11 feet tall.
like the first story of a house. Ellie, over to you.